My real passion is hospitality. I like to connect with people. I like welcoming people to experiences. In the future, like as a career, that's probably what I really want to get into. I want to be a restaurateur. My favorite project is a pop-up restaurant that we designed. It's an experience that we designed for our families. We did menu design, we learned how to cook, we did a pitch, we actually got the benchmark presentation. It was a really cool project because we got to see our family smile at something that we designed. The most important projects that I focused on are my entrepreneurship projects because they've led me to find my next steps, which is the university that I'm going to in September, Tetr College of Business, which is a new university. It's in a way similar to Learnlife, the way they teach. Their whole concept is learn by doing, and you travel to 7 different countries throughout your bachelor. You create a business in each of the locations, and depending on the country, you're also learning from like the way they do business in the country, and it's just like a really amazing school. It's only the 2nd year, and it's quite hard to get accepted, so I'm super proud of myself. I came into mentor meeting with Mitch, and the first thing he told me was, Mori, you're a completely different person from when you came in here a year and a half ago. The autonomy that I learned within my projects and the independence that I had to gain from living by myself and doing just day-to-day things, it just prepared me in the best way for how hard it would be to continue after it just prepared me to live alone. I just developed my personality further when I came to Learnlife, and I think the people around me have recognized it, and that makes me feel really good. It's a different community here. It's not like you're not trying to prove anything to anybody. Everybody's super nice, and you just feel like you can be yourself around here. If I were to recommend Learnlife to someone, I would tell them that you have to give it a try, that you're never gonna know if it's the right thing for you unless you go for it. And I think it's the future of schooling. I think this is the best way to teach.